Hey everyone, it's your girl Melanie, and as you know, I'm always looking for the latest and greatest new trending products to help make life a little bit easier on a budget. And that's why I'm so excited that Zulily.com reached out to me and gave me a little credit to go shopping on their website so I can show you all the amazing things they have available. I used to think that Zulily was just a place to get kids' clothes, but boy was I wrong. They have something for everyone. And now I'm going to show you all the cool things I got. Name brand makeup. And onion keeper. This Nifty slide-out basket. This doormat. This Rachel Ray cookware set. These wireless headphones. A laundry cart. Some wrenches for my husband. And I don't know what they do. What makes Zulily different is that they have a new store every day. And you can get everything from clothes to shoes to makeup to products for the home. You name it, they probably have it. Sometimes the shipping takes a little bit longer, but it's worth the wait because you can save up to 70% off on all your favorite name brands. But there's one catch. The sales last only 3 days, so you need to snatch them up fast. The only problem is Zulily is addicting. But the good thing is they even price match Amazon and Walmart, so you always know that you're getting the lowest price. If you got a little money burning a hole in your pocket, definitely go check out Zulily.com. I will put a link in the comments below. And leave me a comment and let me know what amazing finds you discovered. And as always, thank you so much for watching.